Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was walking through the Dollar Tree. I was really looking for something and I haven't found it. I have not found it. I have this super cute DIY project that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to piece together, but the one item that I need to complete my project, I cannot find it. And the horrible thing is I used to have some of these little things that Dollar Tree sells, and I used them in all my previous projects. So it's like what I always say with Dollar Tree: when you see something, you better get it, because you go back looking for it and it's gone. And that's what is my problem right now. But nevertheless, I'm still gonna do my DIY project. I'm gonna go home actually today and try to mess with it. I might have to tweak it, but be on the lookout for that. I haven't done too many projects lately just because, I don't know, I just haven't really, nothing has come to mind. And then the funny thing is, when I think of something to do as a DIY project, somebody else is already doing it. We're all on the same wavelength as far as thinking of projects and stuff when you see something at the Dollar Tree. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling on. Thank you guys for coming back. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and let me show you some of the cute stuff that I picked up today. Okay, so one of the first things I grabbed, which I don't need any more cups, but was this super cute Tumbler Cup. Between Dollar Tree and the 99-cent only store, I go cup crazy, which is a bad thing and a good thing at the same time. But this is so cute, and it has one on both sides, and it says I'm sharp. How cute is that? Now, the only thing that has been disappointing me about the Dollar Tree cups is that over time, and not a lot of time, you know that plastic ring that's right here inside the like silicone ring that keeps it, you know, to where nothing spills out, like the seal in there, those things pop out sometimes, and so that irritates me. But for this picture and for this, and right now we're all going through the little cactus craze, I had to get that. That was so cute. Okay, so the next two things that I picked up were these super cute note or journal, mini journal and sticky notes. Now I only picked up the two tongue tied, which they had a few more. But I only wanted to grab these two because I have a friend on here and on Instagram by the name of Tracy that said that she was sending me some of these. She sent me a picture and said she found them and she was sending them to me. But I haven't been to my post office box lately, which I need to get to. So if she sent them, I don't know which ones she sent me. So I just went ahead and grabbed these two. If I have extra, then I'll put them in a goodie box that I have accumulating for Dollar Tree. But anyways, I picked up these two, and it's just a journal and these sticky notes on the side. I was kind of hoping that the paper was going to have like the print, you know, like the print of what's on the outside. That would have been so cute. It is cute. It is just plain white paper with no lines on the inside. I opened it already. And then I also got this one. Same thing with the journal, and then these are the sticky notes. But these are super cute. Don't these look just like something that would come out of Michael's? I swear this has Michael's vibes written all over it. And I was contemplating on getting the one that was the fishbowl with the fish, but I passed. I was trying to fight the feeling. So then the next thing I grabbed was this super cute pineapple scarf. How cute is that? Super cute. And I already have the little matching coin purse type thing that I showed in a different video to go with this. But these colors are just so pretty, so I had to get that. And I am randomly grabbing stuff out of this bag. I wanted, oh my goodness, I grew up doing shrinky dinks, and it's The Secret Life of Pets, and this I grabbed for my daughter. I want her to experience what it's like to do some real original shrinky dinks that you do and then put them in the oven. It's going to come with one keychain thing right here, and you get all of these pictures, the crayons to color them, and then you get these stands so you can stand them up like this if you like. But how cute is that? Oh my goodness. So me and her are gonna sit up and do some coloring with the shrinky dinks. What else is in here? I did get 4 of these. I mean, 1 pack of 4, so it's 4 in here, and it's just a corn tray. that I'm going to use, like, you know how when you're buttering your corn and it just be rolling all over the plate? I'm going to just put them in here since it's got the you know, the angles. And I'm going to use that. I need to get me some more of the little stick things that go on the end of the corn. But for now, I just got these, and it's a set of 4. I thought that was pretty good. They brought back more of the, is it the Amope? Anyways, my store finally got the one that was the pink container instead of the blue, which I already had those in the past. But they finally bring back put out some refills and the cuticle oil, or the nail care oil. So I went ahead and got these two to just have. I needed another utility knife. This is a really good utility knife. You know how usually they have the little skinny ones, and I think they come with 2 in a pack? Look at this one. This is like a really, really nice utility knife for $1. And I like to keep these around for whenever I need to use it. I saw this cute gift bag, and it just looks like a big giant watermelon. They had some other ones. I did take pictures. Look at the side. Only one side is glittery, which is that. But the colors are so pretty. And when you open it, it just has the bag in the middle that pops out like a regular bag. And I just thought this was cute. It does have handles on this one, and it is pink. So how cute is that? So I got that. I'm always picking up books. I still have yet to get around. I have 2 books in my room that I've been starting to read off and on. I haven't been reading like I should, but I cannot pass up a good book when I see it, because if I don't get to it, I give it to a sister, my mom, somebody. But this one was called Thug Matrimony. I just want to see what it's about. I haven't even heard of this author, so I'm gonna check that out. Okay, so don't pay this no attention. I did get these. It's only 4 in here, and I just got these because I'm actually picking up Pooh Bear, and he loves Welch's fruit snacks. We ran out, and instead of me running to the grocery store, which I like to buy these at Walmart, the really, really big box with, I think it's 20 in there or something like that. So honestly, school bus was going by, 4 in here for $1 is a good deal, but it's actually kind of not, because I could get more than this if I just go to Walmart and buy the really big box with like 20 of them for like $4 or something like that. But I just got those for right now. I just needed to get him those. They have started putting out their flip-flops. I only picked up 1 pair, which was these. And I just got these for my daughter. I love that pattern on them. Picked up these just as like shower shoes for my daughter. So when she gets out the shower, she can just walk around in those. Because she don't like wearing house shoes. I don't know why. She just don't. Okay, so let me hurry up because my battery is dying. I did get another one of these because I need to replace that DIY fingernail polish remover thing that I made. It's time for me to switch out the sponge. Okay, so they had a bunch of hair products that I saw. I took some pictures. But this is Remington, and I was looking on a site, and they had these cute little floral headbands, and they were going for like $7. So to get these 2 cute, pretty, they kind of look vintage head wraps with the elastic in the back, I thought that was nice. And these are by Remington, so I did get that one. I also got this by Anywhere Hair, and it's Remington, and this is a super cute head band, and you tie it in the back, so it doesn't have the elastic, but you just tie it. But look at those beads, really pretty. Wouldn't that be really pretty to kind of, look at me trying to demonstrate, to be across your head, you know, or something like that. You can even use this for something else. I don't know yet, but it could be used for something else. Super cute. Okay, I had to plug up my phone so the battery don't die while I'm recording. And then they got they had a bunch of hair wraps. So then I got these, and it's 3 of them, and they're floral, but they have these cute little bows on the end like that. And as you can see, one is more purple and yellow, one is turquoise and like a red, and then this one is like a beige and a red and blue. But these would also be cute planner straps. You know how you put the strap around your planner to keep your planner closed. These would be really, really cute for that. So I grabbed those. I got a few of them. Then I got this one. I don't know if you can see it real well, but it has gold beading around it, around both sides. Really, really cute. This one has the elastic in the back, and the front looks like that. Really, really, really nice headbands. And they're all by this company, Remington. Now, this one looks like this with the polka dots. Cute. Summer is coming. You want to wear your hair back. You don't want it all in your face because it's too hot. So that's why I be picking these up. And then sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the strap will break. So I just always have backups. You know, I had to get the gold one. It has 2 straps on it. I had a gold one in the past, and Pooh Bear pulled the thing. He was playing with it, running around playing with it, and he popped it, and I could never find another gold one at Dollar Tree, so I found that one, and I'm happy. This one I really like. Look at how vintage this looks. And it looks like it's a whole lot going on, but let me show you real quick. So it looks like this. This would be so pretty for like somebody's wedding day. I mean, I don't know. Or a young girl's quinceañera or something. I don't know. But look at how pretty that is. And it has the beads that hang down in the back once you tie it. I'll mess around and wear this across my forehead and have the beads hanging in the back. I might do that. I don't know. But that one is so pretty. It's the lace and the pearls and all of that. Super pretty. Okay, and then in here in this bag, we are almost done. I picked up 2 of the Glade. Well, one is Glade Bent Sticks in the Hawaiian fragrance. And then this one is Scents by, I'm not sure what company that is. And this one is Wild Berries. Now, I go through stuff like this from Dollar Tree kind of often. They smell really good. They don't last that long. At the most, I probably get like a week worth of fragrance in the car. Especially when it's hot outside, they last a little longer. But I just get these because I think they smell good. I always get my dog the dental sticks. These things like this. And this is chicken flavor. Because I cannot stand if his breath be humming. Ooh, he want to come get all in my face like, hi, mama. Be trying to lick on my hand and stuff. And I'll be like, ooh, your breath stink. So, and it really just be like maybe some of his dog food or something make his breath smell a little funky. So I have to buy him them dental sticks because I don't be playing that. I needed some onion powder. I got some cayenne pepper and some chili powder, and I still need to go get a couple more. They didn't have the other ones that I needed because I plan on doing a dry rub spicy hot chicken wings or something baked in the oven. Some kind of something new that I'm about to mess around with. So I needed some of those seasonings. But that's it, you guys. That's it. What else? Yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Stay tuned for the pictures that I'm about to put up. There was, you know what I saw that was super cute that I had never seen before in Dollar Tree, and I have a picture. But you know the wreaths, the wire wreath thingy that you buy, just the wire, and then you put whatever you want, the mesh or whatever, and it's usually a circle. They had the one for breast cancer. That was so cool. So you could get the wire wreath thing and create your own breast cancer awareness wreath. Super cool. That was one of the only things that stood out besides the little pool drawers that you'll see in the pictures. The cute little pool drawers that come with 2, they had the cutest pictures on those. And I passed. I was gonna buy one so bad, but I don't need them things. They are so cute. But I have bought some in the past, and we don't need no more. So thank you guys for watching. Let me get my baby and get home so I can get this up to you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.